Welcome to Premier Food Trucks, where your dream food truck becomes a reality. Based in Bunnell, Florida, we specialize in building custom high-quality food trucks for top brands across the country and all over the world. From design to delivery, every detail of our work is crafted to ensure you hit the road with a rolling restaurant that's ready to wow your customers. With years of experience in the industry, we pride ourselves on creating food trucks that are more than just vehicles, they're mobile culinary destinations. Our team works with the best materials and equipment to make every food truck as durable as it is eye-catching. From lobster rolls to street tacos, coffee to ice cream, we've built food trucks for every type of cuisine. We're proud to have clients who return to us again and again, like Cousin's Maine Lobster, for whom we've built 60-plus trucks across cities like New York, Miami, Los Angeles, and many more. From concept and design to fabrication and finishing, we handle each part of the build with meticulous care. Plus, our dedicated customer support team is here every step of the way, ensuring your experience is seamless and stress-free. Our design process is all about collaboration. We work closely with our clients to create a truck that meets their specific needs, from layout and equipment to color and branding. Ready to start your own mobile food business? Visit our website or reach out to our team to explore what we can build for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates, behind-the-scenes footage, and a closer look at our latest builds.
Premier Food Trucks. Precision built for food truck greatness.